Okay, Creed, would you like to say your president?
Yeah.
Okay.
President Bush, President Clinton, President Bush, President Reagan, President Carter, President Ford, President Nixon, President Johnson, President Kennedy, President Eisenhower, President Truman, President Roosevelt, President Hoover, President Coolidge, President Harding, President Wilson, President Taft, President President Roosevelt, President McKinley, President Cleveland, President Harrison, President what's his name? Arthur. President Garfield, President Hayes, President Grant, President Johnson, President Lincoln, President Buchanan, President Pierce, President, what's his name?
Fillmore.
Fillmore. President.
Oh, that's it. Good job, Creed.
Okay, can I add it?
We need to add another one, don't we?
Can I add it?
Yes, you may.
I feel like I'm going to add all of them. No. Whoa, look at him.
Oh, yeah, he looks like an army general. Let me see the back of the card since I don't know my president. President Taylor.
President Taylor.
And do you want to know the fun fact about President Taylor?
Yeah.
President Taylor had very short legs. He often needed help mounting a horse, and he liked to ride side saddle.
What's a side saddle?
Like a girl rides with both legs on one side of the horse.
Yeah. Why did he like to ride like that?
I think it's because he had short legs.
Oh.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. So
Why did he have
you're down to
short legs?
only having 11 presidents left to go.
Was he that small?
Mm-hmm, I think so.
Was he in the army?
Okay, say I love you, Grandma.
I love you, Grandma.
And I love you, Poppy.
I love you, Poppy, too.
Happy President's Day.
Happy President's Day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.